Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. I've got a really cool race for you today. I'm sat in a Ferrari Enzo 6-litre V12 naturally aspirated engine, 660 horsepower, 660 newton meters of torque. It's 0 to 60, 3.1 seconds. Top speed, 221 miles an hour. Dream come true, tell you the truth. And next to me happens to be a LaFerrari. How insane is that? I'd like to introduce you to the guy who set this up. His name's Andrew and he's in the LaFerrari. So Andrew, can you tell me a bit about your car please, mate?
I'm sitting behind the wheel of a 950 brake horsepower Ferrari LaFerrari. 800 is from the petrol engine and the rest is from the electric engine. We've got 900 newton meters of torque and most importantly, it's a 6.3 litre V12. 0 to 63 seconds. How does that sound in comparison to the dinosaur you're driving?
Cheeky bugger. Shouldn't be such a smart ass though. He wasn't quite right with the figures. Because I think you'll find that it has a combined 963 horsepower. Yes, that electric motor gives you 163 extra ponies. Other than that, it's completely correct. His car's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. This has a single clutch robotised manual gearbox with 6 speeds, both rear wheel drive. We're gonna see what happens. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check out Andrew's channel, Classic Parade. Anyway, let's race. Now I know you guys would really like to see a drag race, but I cannot do it to this old Enzo. So we're gonna do a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in 3rd gear. I wanna see the difference, the improvement Ferrari has made 2002, 2013. And we're gonna witness it now. Let's do it. Here we go then. Get level, 50 miles an hour. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God, that just took off. Oh, that's enough of that. Whoa! That wasn't bad at all. Well done, Enzo! A little bit beaten, not completely destroyed.
Let's do the same thing again, but in 4th gear, because I really want to see the difference that your electric boost provides.
It should just give that extra bit of torque, so it should be a bigger difference this time. Let's just give it a go. Okay, so 4th gear from 50. No, dude, you've got to wait for me to count you in. God, it's so excitable. Let's try it again, but we'll have a start this time. Okay then, 4th gear, you ready? 3, 2, 1, floor it. Oh no, what a difference. Wow, 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 wow. He's cleaning the crap out of me.
Where is the Enzo?
Absolutely did me in then. Oh, I think that was a bigger difference then.
That made even more.
Of a fool out of me and my Enzo and my dinosaur, as you call it.
Oh, Matt, the LaFerrari was meant to be the LaFerrari, the Ferrari, and the Enzo was just meant to be a dinosaur.
Tell you what, I'm a dinosaur. I'm going to stick with my own kind. Now we're going to do a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. That's about 1,600 kilos. This is about 15. What's going to happen? And here's the cone. No, old car, no.
Whoa!
No. Bugger. Oh well, the old car got thrashed, but I still prefer it. How about you? Click on the pop-out band in the top right-hand corner of the screen to let me know which you prefer. Would you rather have and own and keep and live with? Not live with, just keep as an investment. This Enzo, or would you rather have the LaFerrari? It's more of a daily, but this is more of a thing of wonder.